Get started trading cryptocurrencies today with Coinbase, and you both get $10 in free crypto. Link down below. Hey, everybody, and welcome back to Crypto Kings. My name is Matt. It's a pleasure to be back with you guys on the channel today, and I want to talk to you guys a little bit about what's going on right now with Shiba Inu, of course, in regards to its price. And this is something that I've done a lot on the channel these days, but I really do think we're having a pivotal moment right now. And just from a technical standpoint, this is absolutely everything that an analyst would love to see. This is an analyst's dream right now, and I really think we should get into it. So thank you guys for stopping by. Again, drop a like, subscribe if you're new, and let's get right into it, folks. So starting off here, man, something that you guys obviously have to take into account, of course, is the past dip we've been seeing over the past few days, and the fact that it applies literally to every crypto. Obviously, even competitors to Bitcoin like Cardano and XRP and whatnot have still suffered the consequences of general delegitimization of the effectiveness of crypto by a lot of the mainstream media, and just a general questioning of how effective Bitcoin is as a system of transfer. Now, a lot of people wonder why I talk about Bitcoin. It's because Bitcoin is the number one. It just is. In regards to value in market cap and all of that, Bitcoin just is the number one that really sets the market trends. Until Ethereum reaches 30,000 or 40,000 or whatnot, and one day maybe overtakes Bitcoin, don't know if it'll happen, but until that happens one day, we have to take a look at the price of Bitcoin as gospel. And unfortunately, at the moment, it looks like it is the number one reason why basically all of crypto has fallen. And again, when you take a look at SHIB here, it's had a rocky road, largely because, of course, it is a meme coin, which does make it a lot tougher in a way to sustain itself in the long term. We know this. Now, obviously, like I said, I do believe that SHIB has a solid fundamental project on, obviously, if you go to their website, if you go here to shibatoken.com, they have some things going for them. Obviously, the number one thing here being ShibaSwap with all these different features, which I've talked about before on the channel. You guys have heard me talk about these features before. And by having a website here, of course, they definitely are helping their odds. Like I said, they pretty much have all the bases covered. They have their little charity venture, which is helpful. There are a lot of cryptos that do venture into the charity environment. They have an artistic sort of community build kind of venture here. Then obviously they have the exchange, which is their bread and butter. This is their competition to PancakeSwap, Uniswap, a lot of other ones. So with that said, they have a lot of fundamentals that place them higher above the average meme coin, but still, they still pretty much do rise and fall with a lot of meme trends. So the question here is, what is going on with the current price? Well, you guys have watched it pretty much steadily decline really since SNL, because a lot of people took their Doge profits, pumped it up, pumped it here into SHIB, of course, then saw it, see this kind of catastrophic tank here all the way down to 0.000018. You guys see it right here. But it's like, okay, you know what? It's a little rough. All right, it's getting rough here. But then obviously Elon Musk sends out his tweets, and boom, you guys see just a general slide down over the past few days until eventually the kind of glass broke, and you guys see this absolutely awful tank here. Thankfully, there has been an effort to save it, like I said, from Vitalik Buterin here, who ended up coming out and saying that, hey, I burned half the supply, roughly, of all SHIB, and that sent the price soaring back up here, which is decent, but then this crypto crash just kept eating away at it, and that's inevitably what sent it down to one of its lowest prices in a very, very long time, 0.0000676. Which is terrible. Like I said, this is one of the lowest prices we've seen for SHIB in a very long time. Now, the question is, when do we see a recovery? When do we see a breakout here? Well, there tends to be something that a lot of analysts use, and this is called falling wedges. Now, the goal is to have the highs descending. In fact, I'm going to show you guys a picture just because it is a little bit easier. And you guys see here, here's an example of a falling wedge pattern. So it's a bullish pattern that begins wide at the top and contracts as prices move lower. This price action forms a cone that slopes down as the reaction highs and lows converge. This is what I've talked about. I've thought about this in a lot of videos, actually. As the prices converge, you're looking to see more of a chance for a breakout. So you could start this right here if you'd like. and you can make your top wedge. Then obviously you can make your bottom wedge, and boom, we have some converging prices. Now, what does this do? Well, essentially what it's doing is it's getting rid of some of that volatility. Now, obviously, you do have volatility in some of the sell volume and the buy volume, of course, and over the night here, of course, you do have less volatility since time zone-wise, it is late in the night, whatnot, but it is still important to note that in regards to price, you don't want this. You don't want these drastic price variations here with these crazy highs, these crazy lows, because what that's showing is that it's volatile, that it's not sustaining itself, and that buyer sentiment is not good enough at these lows. So the goal is to try to sort of bring everything back up. You want to see these lows increasing here and getting more stable, and again, you want to see these highs getting a little bit less wonky here and staying more consistent. You want to see some consistent candles right around your estimated support line. Like we've talked about, this is our estimated support line. Like I said, TradingView does it for you. But if you would like to do it a little bit more technically here, you could look at the Fibonacci retracement. These are some predicted support lines like I've talked about. Now, again, you could see the one it's currently on right now roughly is this black line, but the goal is to watch it, eventually reach the red and the greens and the blue and whatnot, and that would be a sign of a really nice increase. And obviously, the real key for a breakout here is this black one right here. This line here is the real key for a breakout. Is again, that shows that its period of consolidation has stopped. Once you see this consolidation end, and again, you pretty much guess in your head how this is going to look. Again, you'll see a little volley up, a little volley down. Once this eventually breaks this black line, boom, moonshot, man, moonshot. And that's exactly what I've talked about on the channel. Again, you see a little rocket, man, you see a rocket going up, man. It's a horrible drawing of a rocket here, but you could see this is a moonshot, man. That is what we're looking for. Again, you want to see it break that black line, and boom, that's what we're looking for. So the question is, how do we get there? How does it happen? Well, again, that no one knows. I can't obviously guarantee that right now, but what you have to see is a period here of consolidation, which looks like it's what it's getting to. You want to see this period here of consolidation, and again, you can detect that from this falling wedge pattern, and that's exactly what we're looking for, and it looks like we're going to be seeing that here within the next day or so. And again, you guys sit here, and of course, this is only my analysis. Again, I'm not a financial advisor. This is only my guessing from my knowledge of reading crypto charts and whatnot. But again, you want to watch this get more stable, and over time, eventually people will say, hey, this asset is stable, let's buy some more. Boom, moonshot. That's what we're looking for. With that being said, guys, I hope you all have enjoyed the video. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comments. Make sure to drop a like and subscribe to the channel for more Shiba Inu videos coming out every single day. Of course, we do appreciate all the amazing support on the channel. If you guys want to get started trading cryptocurrency, of course, you guys could use my Coinbase link down below in the description. Both get $10 in free crypto. Who can't love that? As well as my gates.io link down below if you guys want to start trading SHIB, because SHIB is not currently available on Coinbase. And if you guys do that, of course, we both get a little bit of free crypto there as well. So thank you guys so much. I really do appreciate it, and I will catch you guys on the next video.